Hey everybody, and welcome back. So now we're going to talk about parts, inventory, and how to manage that with car. In the simplest way possible to manage your parts database, you can simply go to Parts, View All Parts. That'll pull up the parts database for your service facility. Typically, these are parts that you have added to invoices. And if you're just getting started, you may not see many parts here at all, only some demo parts used to create the service menu. However, it's easy to edit and make updates to your parts database. You can simply select multiple parts if you want to update things such as price or quantity. Select the option if you want to update, delete, reset the inventory, or reset their low stock count. In this case, we'll press update, we'll press submit, and it'll give us the ability to change the part cost for multiple parts, the retail price, the quantity, and the low stock quantity. This is an easy and fast way for you to update parts in your database that you're using for services at your facility every day. In addition to the parts database and View All Parts, we also have an inventory feature in the business dashboard. Clicking to change to the business dashboard, you will now see parts inventory, a low stock count for the current month and last month. If you click on current month, it will bring you to an inventory stats page where you can see parts that you're selling to your customers in the last month. As an example here, we're showing inventory stats for a demo shop on a previous date range where it will give us the top parts sold. It will give us the name, the part number, the manufacturer, the total dollar amount that we were collecting, the total quantity sold, and if there is a picture, it would show up here. We can change the items per page to 100. We have full access to all of the parts that we would have sold over said time period. With this information, we can now keep a much better inventory of parts we're actually selling instead of occupying space that we're not. For ease of use, we allow you to download this inventory list into a CSV file where you can then read, share, or perform calculations with this information however needed at your business. Thank you for watching our video on parts and inventory management with car. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.